Hi there. Do you know that sleep deprivation and stress are a vicious cycle that can accelerate aging? Prioritizing quality sleep is essential for overall well being and a youthful appearance. Let's explore tips for improving your sleep and reducing stress. Hello, everyone. My name is Arshad, your reverse age coach. Sleep is a cornerstone of youthful vitality. Unfortunately, many of us struggle with sleep due to chronic stress. Let's explore how to improve your sleep quality and reduce stress for a younger, more vibrant you. Sleep is a natural state of rest characterized by reduced consciousness and physical activity. It's a vital process that allows our bodies and minds to recharge and restore. During sleep, various restorative processes occur, including tissue repair, protein synthesis, and hormone regulation. Now, why do we need sleep? Well, sleep is essential for repairing tissues, building muscles, and boosting the immune system. It enhances memory, learning, and problem solving abilities. Sleep helps regulate mood and emotional balance. It's during sleep that the body produces growth hormones, which are essential for anti aging. Sleep is more than just rest, it's a vital process that impacts every aspect of your life. During sleep, your body releases growth hormones that stimulate muscle growth and repair damaged tissues. Sleep is essential for memory consolidation, learning, and problem solving. It helps you think more clearly and react faster. Adequate sleep helps regulate hormones, including cortisol, the stress hormone. Chronic stress can accelerate aging, so getting enough sleep is crucial for a youthful appearance. Sleep deprivation can disrupt hormones related to appetite and metabolism, leading to weight gain. Sleep is essential for a strong immune system, helping you fight off infections and illnesses. Let's try understanding melatonin. Melatonin is a hormone produced by the pineal gland, signaling your body that it's time to sleep. Exposure to artificial light, especially from screen, can suppress melatonin production. Here are some tips to optimize your sleep. Number 1, create a relaxing bedtime. Establish a calming routine before bed, such as taking a warm bath, reading a book, or practicing relaxation techniques. Avoid screens for at least an hour before sleep to improve sleep quality. Tip number 2, optimize your sleep environment. Create a sleep conducive environment by ensuring your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool. Invest in comfortable bedding and blackout curtains if needed. Number 3, manage stress effectively. Practice stress management techniques like meditation, deep breathing, or yoga to promote relaxation and better sleep. Avoid caffeine and alcohol close to bedtime, as they can interfere with sleep. To conclude, prioritize sleep for a healthier, happier you. Subscribe to my channel for more sleep tips. Like, comment, and share this video. And also, I have given a link in the description below for a complete free masterclass for anyone looking to start their reverse age journey. Thank you and see you soon.